Hi everyone, in Lab 3 we are going to practice OpenPit design with Vulkan. And file is given to us including block model and topo. We're going to open that and create a piece around the block model. So after you downloaded the file, the zipped file from the canvas, right click on that and extract it. Make sure that you have your project saved in the separate file for Lab 3. And if you open the extracted file, it includes DG1 file, which is the information of the project and limits, block model, and tool. Okay, go back in the extracted file, right click and open that with Vulkan 12. The software is thinking to open. And it will cache the license. Now that the project is open, it asks us to open a design file. So there is no design file in the project. We can name that Lab 3 and click OK. Now you can see under design databases we have a design file called Lab 3, and under block model we have Lab 3 block model, which has several parameters saved as variables. And what we want to use is to make a pit or design a pit for gold. There is no legend in the file, so let's create a legend. As you remember from previous practice, we have that under Analyze, Legend Editor. Once Legend Editor opened, in the folder of block, you can create a legend for gold. Check Use Block Model and choose the Lab 3 model block file. Rival would be AU, and you can get range. There is no number to ignore, and it goes to 25 grams per ton, which is a really good grade for the reserve. Let's have intervals of 2 because the cutoff grade is, let's see what's the cutoff grade here. It says 4 grams per ton. So we can have the intervals of 2 and build the color range. And if you right click on the label of the color, not the individual color, because if you right click on the individual color and set a color, it will assign that just for that row. But to assign colors automatically for all of the rows, right click on the color name and color range. You can select both the start and end color ranges and select dark blue, dark red, and OK. Now we have set of colors set and save. After you saved it, you can close it. As you remember, you can go to block, viewing, load dynamic model, rival would be AU. Let's display individual blocks, display block extents, and we don't want to shape. We can have display block text as well, and also we want to visualize everything above cutoff grade of 4. So click OK. Now because we checked that to display the text, it will ask us that what would be the text scheme, which is a text, and we can have it at the bottom and also top, and at the bottom we can have it the AU variable shown in, for example, light red with just 1 decimal or 0 decimal, it's okay. And for top, we can have the same variable as well. Same color. Here we have the model shown here. If you go to selecting rotation center, right click, it is going to rotate. One of the shortcuts for the rotation center, instead of clicking the rotation center on the keyboard, you can use C as well. So if I escape out of the rotation mode, I click on C on the keyboard, it will go get to the rotation center and I can select and rotate. Another shortcut is that if I just quickly want to rotate the view without selecting a new rotation center with the previous one, just hold Alt and with holding the left click on the mouse, so you can rotate it. And then when you deselect or push your finger off of the Alt, so then it's out of the rotating. And when you want to reset the view to the plan view, just click that. Okay. Now we have this. We want to find out the lowest level of the mineable cutoff rate. For that purpose, if I get out of the rotation view and hover over on this block here, down there I can see that it's about 55, level 55. It seems that it can be the lowest level. The other way is that with the under the analyze toolbar up here, which has rulers, there is a coordinate XYZ option. So if you select that point, it will put a point, but however it's not exactly on the blocks, because snapping tool here is just indicates any random point where you click on the screen. However, if you snap to object, it will exactly snap to the object that you are selecting. So right click to cancel that one out. Click on the coordinate again. Make sure that you have snap to object on and select the corner. And also you can select two corners and right click. So down here in the command or information bar of the Vulkan, you can see that it's 55, so it's XYZ, Z is the elevation, it's at 55. So if you zoom out, so it seems that 55 is the lowest level. However, it looks like that I just have one block down there. So one block, it's really small. The block size, it's not that big. So I don't think that just one block would not be a good option for the bottom of the pit. So let's start mining from uh, 11 level 70